In a quiet town, there lived an old clockmaker known for repairing even the most broken watches. A young boy came to him, eager to learn. For weeks, the clockmaker made him polish tools, sweep floors, and listen to ticking clocks, but never allowed him to touch a single watch. One day, the frustrated boy shouted, "I came to fix time, not waste mine." The clockmaker smiled and finally handed him a broken pocket watch. "You were never wasting time," he said. "You were learning to hear what most people ignore, the rhythm beneath the silence." The boy listened carefully and fixed it on his first try. Moral: greatness isn't rushed. Sometimes, patience is the hidden gear that makes everything work. Please subscribe and hit the like button.